See, guys, straight ako po. Gulay mo practice ba? Nagtunog siya. Pagkalong-luto gulay. Tama na yung slice.
I'm pretty sure if you won't laugh. Just you for the rest of the video. Wow. All the way down there.
Para sa mga pera grupo.
Okay. He's not doing himself any justice here. Why did he have it already? I think we all know the answer. Oh my God. And that's all for breakfast. Another part of it still going. No way. Did you get a target or something? Because he's screaming to himself. That can't be real.
Namalit ko gulay guys. Tagal tayo baligis.
They played a lot of Roblox.
Anak, sugo ng kalman. Pero ni, kasi importante na isagol ka mo. Sa bautaw ikin, siya tag-ugaan yung tag.
Saan ka pwede mo? Saan energy naman?
Gara. Kasi energy. Si relax mo na.
Tapos mo na.
Si relax, good.
Ang sige na mo.
Pagkaon sa bata.
Kana? Hala, oy.
Sir, relax. Pwede man ka makaon good, anak.
Pastig ka naman?
Nung dahil, wala ko ibalik. Wala na ko ikuan na yun. Wala nang himpiso. Sige lang. Okay lang.
Oh my God. I don't know who's funnier, is it Jason's community or him himself? I don't know.